Okay, from Cagayan de Oro, we need to travel to Surigao. That's approximately 6 to 8 hours, and then ride a barge to Leyte.
It's 5 a.m. in the morning now. Finally, we arrived in Lipata Port in Surigao City after a 6-hour drive from Cagayan de Oro. And we are now waiting for our boat, maximum 2 hours, going to Liloan Leyte. And from there, we'll have again a road trip and I'll update with you guys. California Bridge. We just arrived in Liloan, Leyte.
Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice?
We are now in the MacArthur Memorial Park. It is not allowed to go in, but the guard is very cool. He let me in. So here is it. There. It's still under construction for its diamond anniversary. So
the next day.
good morning, everybody. We are now checked in Calbayugan City. We're still in Samar after like 2 hours of searching where to sleep because we are very tired, and we found this cute resort. It's called Jubilee's resort and restaurant. It's by the beach. It has a pool. It has a decent price, and we don't have a choice either. And I was very tired last night. That's why I wasn't able to record. But let me take you to the resort that we had.
Have to wait so long, and wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? Wouldn't it be
Hi, baby. Morning. Say hi to the camera. Hi, JP. Ready for another trip?
I'm ready.
So, their cottages. This is the pool they have. And then right there is the ocean. They have cottages also right there. The pool. Good evening, everybody. The time now is 7:30 and I am now inside the Vascat, the dam. Hi, baby. It is gonna take 1 to 2 hours trip to Sorsogon, Matnog. So for now, I'm just gonna sleep and I'll update you when we will arrive there. Hello, everybody. We just arrived in Luzon. And it was really fast and I like it. Good morning, everybody. I am now going to the underground cemetery here in Laguna. So I'm trying to get the entrance from here. And I'll be right back. Hi everybody, we are now in the Yacht Club in Subic. And as you can see, there's so many yachts here. But soon I will be having mine, but I'm just visiting it. Those big, those small. And this Yacht Club is really exclusive for people that's very, very rich, because I think the registration this will be probably millions. And then you cannot enter if you don't have a yacht. But for me, since one of my friends is a member here,